Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best wood floor repair is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for homeowners who want to maintain the beauty and value of their wood floors. Whether it's from clumsy furniture moves, playful pets, or just the general wear and tear of daily life, scratches on your wood floor are inevitable. But don't despair. In this video, we'll explore the best products available to tackle those unsightly scratches and restore your floors to their former glory, saving you time, money, and the frustration of living with damaged floors. Number 5. Katzco Furniture Repair Kit. It includes multiple shades that blend easily with wood surfaces, great for hiding scratches and scuffs on tables, desks, and more. This offers an easy, mess-free way to restore your furniture. It's ideal for use on tables, desks, chairs, cabinets, and wooden floors. It is compact and fits easily in your toolbox, perfect for quick fixes at home or on the go to keep your furniture scratch-free and polished. It is designed to cover up scratches and imperfections on wood, restoring the natural appearance of your furniture in minutes. It offers an effective solution for fixing minor damage on furniture, perfect for restoring light scratches without needing professional repair services. What we like. This product boasts a wide array of colors to match any wood type. It's incredibly easy to use, making repairs a breeze. If you need a portable solution for quick fixes on the go, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Recent move caused a lot of scratches and dings to expensive solid oak and cherry kitchen table, chairs, and matching bar stools. Cost to refinish was astronomical. Bought these pens and crayons. Can custom blend for desired shade when, as instructed, you use the lightest compatible color pen first. Remarkably great results. This product not only repairs nicks and scratches in wood and laminated products but is excellent for hiding the light exposed edge of veneers. This can dramatically improve the look of inexpensive laminated veneered shelving, etc. Ran across this kit on Amazon by accident. Thought I would give it a try to repair some nicks in my laminate flooring and also a large wooden entertainment center. I used both the pens and the crayons and both worked well. I was able to get a good match for both the light oak flooring and the darker cherry wood on the cabinet. It was quick and easy to use. Number 4. Furniture Repair Kit. Say goodbye to unsightly scratches and scuffs on your furniture. This kit makes repairs quick and easy, saving you time and money. It includes 6 repair markers, 6 wax sticks, and a sharpener, all in a convenient package. Everything you need for a professional finish. With 6 colors to choose from, maple, oak, cherry, walnut, mahogany, and black, it's easy to find the perfect match for your furniture. No more mismatched repairs. These high-quality markers and wax sticks effectively cover scratches, nicks, and discoloration. They provide a permanent and flawless finish. Simply color over the damaged area, let it dry, and watch the scratch vanish. It's that simple. Safe for all types of wooden furniture. No need to call an expensive professional. With this kit, you can easily repair your furniture like a pro. Save money and restore your furniture's beauty. What we like. It offers a selection of colors to match various wood tones. The high-quality materials ensure long-lasting results. If you value quality and ease of use, this kit will become your go-to solution. What people say. Includes marker pens and wax crayons, perfect for touching up all kinds of scratches and dings. Very easy to use, just match or mix the colors to get the perfect shade. Includes 6 base colors, but overlaying mixing can achieve almost any finish needed. Number 3. RamPro Furniture Markers. This is the ultimate solution for repairing scratches and blemishes on your wooden furniture. It's easy to use and provides professional-looking results. It matches most wood finishes, ensuring a seamless blend. The wax crayons are perfect for hardwood floor repairs. Choose from 8 colors to perfectly match your wood tone. The large tips on the markers and chiseled tips on the crayons allow for precise application. The markers have attachable caps to prevent loss, and a small piece to prevent rolling. It's designed for easy use and storage. Use it on furniture, floors, moldings, and more. It instantly covers blemishes, chips, and nicks on all your wooden items. The kit includes 8 felt tip wood markers and 8 wax crayons in a variety of colors to match most wood types. Everything you need for a perfect repair is included. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides both felt tip markers and wax crayons. The large tips are great for larger areas, while the chiseled tips handle smaller details with precision. If you need a versatile solution for various scratch sizes, this is your best bet. What people say. The color match is perfect, all the scratches and worn edges look like new again, and the case looks like something that could be worth $50 instead of $6. Touches up with scratches with a wide variety of colors. The markers and crayons are easy to apply and blend seamlessly with the wood, giving it a polished look. The quality is impressive, and the set provides excellent value for the price. It's a simple yet effective solution for maintaining and refreshing your furniture and wood floors. Number 2. Rejuvenate All Floors Restorer. Is your floor looking dull and scratched? It's time for a simple solution that will restore its shine and protect it from future damage. This product makes it easy. This amazing restorer fills in scratches and restores shine to all types of flooring. No sanding is required, making it a quick and easy project. From hardwood to laminate, vinyl to tile, it works on virtually any surface. It's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and more. It's easy to apply with a mop, dries quickly, and provides long-lasting protection and shine that will last for months. You'll love the results. This floor restorer also provides up to 50% more traction, making your floors safer. It's a great choice for homes, apartments, and commercial spaces. It's made in the USA with a low VOC formula, so you can feel good about using it in your home. Enjoy beautiful, protected floors for less. What we like. This floor restorer is incredibly easy to apply with a mop. It requires no sanding, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to restore your floor's shine, this is the product for you. What people say. Restores shine. This polish did wonders for my lackluster LVP floors. They have a radiant shine that traditional mopping just couldn't achieve. Fills in light scratches. I can't comment on deep scratches, but the Rejuvenate polish did a great job of minimizing the light scratches on my floors. The initial transformation is quite remarkable. Even the realtor that sold us the house came back later and remarked how different the floors looked. It makes the floors shine and feel great on your feet. Number 1. Weiman Wood Floor Polish. Tired of dull hardwood floors? This polish instantly restores your floors to their natural beauty, giving them a brilliant shine. It rejuvenates finished hardwood, extending the life of your floors and making them look brand new. Say goodbye to dullness. It's not just a polish, it's a scratch remover. It fills in existing scratches and creates a protective layer to prevent new ones. This ready-to-use formula is safe for kids and pets, so you can use it with peace of mind. Use it on any finished hardwood surface for a beautiful, long-lasting shine. For best results, use it with Weiman Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Weiman products are proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability you can trust. What we like. This polish instantly restores a natural shine to your hardwood floors. Its microfilling technology removes existing scratches and prevents new ones. If you want a long-lasting, protective solution for high-traffic areas, this is the one for you. What people say. It filled in so many superficial scratches. Obviously not the super deep ones, but the ones left from moving furniture, Christmas trees, puppies running around, etc., they're all gone. The first coat did not have much shine, but after the second coat, I noticed a considerable difference. Of all the products I've used, this is the only one to actually make my wooden floors sleek and shiny. Other shine products usually leave a streaked up mess. This makes my floors so shiny that my shoes squeak when I walk on the floors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.